and it doesn't let it drain.
Exactly.
So it's spring loaded?
Yep.
Okay, this is why my hose wasn't working when we tried to clean out the air conditioners last weekend. Or, you know what, that was exactly a week ago. That was last Friday. This is why it wasn't working. The piping wasn't able to drain properly. Water, stayed in there, and it got cold, and it froze, and it burst. Even with this mild winter we had, we still had a couple days when it was in the teens and 20s, and it froze. So the plumber came and fixed it. They had to replace a good portion of the tubing, though. It is getting warm out. Now I can be absolutely positive all the coil cleaner from last week is gone. Hose bib right there. It might be actually warm enough today to turn these on. It's actually not that warm out, but it's just one of those days where it's humid. I got the windows on the second floor open, so we might not need the upstairs AC on. My neighbor's central air. The one that got this is the one that had the contactor switch replaced last summer, right before Hurricane Irene hit. Wonder if these have the same size upper cabinet, if that three-bladed fan would fit in one of my units. That way all I had to do, instead of having to take mine all apart, I could just get the numbers off of my neighbor's unit here and order the fan motor for my neighbor's unit and put it in mine. Because a three-bladed fan would work more efficiently. Wait, is he actually under there?
Yeah.
I did not even realize that. I did not even realize that the other plumber was underneath the deck the whole time. And that copper tubing should be coming in right through there. much space is under there anyway? So someone who's overweight can't go under there.
I couldn't make it. You're not going under there either.
Yeah, I know I couldn't make it. I'd have to lose about 50 pounds probably. I weigh like 258 right now, I think.
Yeah.
I probably weigh more than you.
I'm only about 205.
You're just taller than me, I guess. So you're gonna cut that end off and then connect it to the bib, right?
You in?
I'm in.
Okay.
And I just caught the tail end of it, some of the soldering. There's going to be some smoke coming up here again momentarily. I just caught the tail end of it. Or was that the end of it? Is he going to be doing any more soldering?
Not out there.
Darn it, I caught the, you know what that reminded me of? That smoke coming up? A heat pump defrosting. You ever seen one of those defrost?
Yeah.
I made a video of one last winter and it got like 400 hits.
Really?
Yeah. Also, it's a great way to warm your hands on a really cold night. Dogs and dogs and air conditioners always get the best views on YouTube. There's a guy, the homeowners association is having the lawn mowed today, and there's a guy on a Dixie Chopper zero-turn riding mower down there. I would get a video of it, but the guy can't hear me, so he's not going to be able to hear it. I just don't want to risk getting the guy in the video. But yeah, there's a guy on a Dixie Chopper lawnmower. My fellow YouTubers, I went to their website a while ago and they actually make propane powered lawnmowers. I don't know that much about lawnmowers, but I don't know what my fellow YouTubers think of Dixie Chopper. I hear they're pretty good, but this is a shout out to my fellow YouTubers in the Carolinas who know a bit about lawnmowers and outdoor power equipment. Tell me what you think of Dixie Chopper in a comment. Give me your opinion on Dixie Chopper. Shout out to my friends in the Carolinas. So what exactly do I do in the winter if I want to just turn off the hose and it'll drain out the end?
Yep. Turn this off.
And obviously
open that one up.
And just let it run out. And then we always shut it off inside the house too in the winter.
So you don't even have to. It's one of these.
My dad always does that as a kind of
well, you can
cover your ass kind of thing.
But this is where it shuts off in the house. Right here.
Right there.
Right there. This is all. This here shuts off here, and then this just drains out when you shut the hose. When you shut this off, this just tube.
Oh, we always take the hoses off.
A lot of people don't.
Yeah.
What happens if you don't take the hose off?
Kaboom.
And you can see this one.
What's that pink stuff? Is that insulation?
Fire caulk. See how that's swelling?
Yeah.
It was freezing. It's from freezing. See how it's swelled up?
Because normally when we first bought the house, the hose just connected right there, but this complicates things, I guess.
Yeah, and the fact that he put another one of those frost-proof hydrants out there made it even worse.
So that's a non-frost-proof hydrant
The
out
one
there.
out here now.
So that actually makes things better.
Yes. When you open it up, it's open. It'll drain. You got out. Right.
It lives. Yeah. Can I connect the hose reel to it now?
We had a couple minutes. We wanted to make sure this is all good.
All right.
He's draining.
I can hear it pulling air. Still draining?
Yep.
Yeah, good. We're gonna take a, huh?
Still draining.
That looks cool.
So
I can
these
hear
are,
it. I can, as soon as you open that up, I can hear it pull the air vacuum
Yeah.
right through it.
He's down
so
to
these
the
are both
trickle now.
non-frost free, right?
No, this one is frost proof.
It's just a trickle now. We shut it off.
This one is frost proof, that one's not.
Good.
Okay, my man. Put some of this stuff away, and then we'll put your boards back in. And you're in pretty good shape.
So that hose bib is new, right?
Yeah. Yep, and that's a frost proof also. That one is. The one out the end of the deck is not. Drain pretty good?
Yeah, I took the packing.
Of course. That one in there was 3%.
Was it?
You got another washer for your hose?
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, if you do, or you get to the store or something.
Yeah, you just need a washer for this.
But it works,
You hooked up, yeah.
so I can clean out the ACs. Could you like write down exactly what my parents need to get on a piece of paper or something, so I know exactly what washer to get?
Yeah, it's 3/4 hose washer. Right?
Hose washer.
All right.
You might even have one. I almost bet he probably has one. I don't think I got any truck, right?
I don't know.
What was wrong with
I'm
the?
gonna flip this one and see what happens. Maybe it'll stop it.
The hose now works. These damn solar lights. All right. And it cooled it down relatively quickly. Got me in the face there. All this damn artillery fungus pain in the ass. All right, nice and clean. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out, and they still have to put the decking back together. You can feel the water going through it. Make sure that's turned off. Yeah, that's turned off. Alright, once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.